I pity anyone who was watching Arsenal versus Sporting Lisbon. You wasted your life, you wasted your energy. That game was so boring. Hata nashangaa what was Sporting Lisbon doing? Kwani hamkuangalia game ya Bournemouth? Hamkuangalia game ya Southampton? Hey mazao, you guys were so boring the whole night. How can the game end 0-0? How does a game end 0-0 and you call that football? That is absolute rubbish. Sporting Lisbon, I expected you to do something today, but nilikuwa naangalia for 15 minutes nikasema hapa nitasinzia. Let me go and watch Real Madrid. Naingia kule bao tayari lishafungwa. Nasema narudi kwa Arsenal kidogo niangalie kazi. Naangalia game nasinzia. Narudi huku napata bao tayari nyingine lishafungwa. Nini mwingine ali-equalize. That right here was a finale man. Seeing Real Madrid scoring, Bayern Munich equalizing. Real Madrid scoring, Bayern Munich equalizing, like, my God. Did you see that last minute win by Michael Olise? Anyway, Bayern amefuzu, Arsenal amebatika. Semi-final is going to be Bayern versus PSG. Mazi, that game was deserved to be in the final. I don't know why Arsenal amewekwa nini na Atletico Madrid. That game is going to be so boring. One of these teams should have shifted to the other side, wawachafue, and then we just end this nini. Anyway, let's wait and see on the next game, Arsenal versus Man City. Even the game itakuwa tamu, na I think that one will be the one to suggest who's gonna take the Premier League.